Here's the video. Go.
It's Allison and Clover's first play date. It's a baby, honey. It's Clover. Oh, she hit me. You gotta be nice to your friends, honey. You're good. Yeah. Just curious, huh? She's got way more hair than you. It's okay, you don't have to have hair jealousy. What is that? Is that another baby? It's Allison. Oh, sweaty baby. Wow.
Harduke, rotate that way. Oh, yeah.
Like this?
Oh, yeah, give me sugar. Yeah, that's good. This is pure gold.
Well, I'm sure there'll be lots of more pure gold moments. It's Allison.
like your baby's all animated and mine's like a slug.
It's hard.
Oh, mine's the one with all the slime on it. Whoa.